I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Android TV on, phone connected to the same Wi-Fi, and the app that can cast. First, wake your TV and set its input to the Android TV or built-in Chromecast source so the receiver is ready. Open Google Home or the app you want to cast from. Once the device list appears, tap the cast icon and select your TV. This begins the handshake between devices. Make sure you accept any TV prompts so the connection. Once you've selected your Android TV from the cast list, you'll see a brief pairing step. Accept it on the TV if required. After pairing, the app hands streaming data to the TV, so you control playback from your phone, tap play, change quality, or go full screen. If video stutters, reduce quality in the app or move closer to the router. Remember, volume can be managed either with your phone's media keys or the TV remote, so pick whichever is easiest. To end casting, tap the cast icon and choose Stop Casting or disconnect through Google Home. This returns your TV to normal input. If the TV doesn't appear, power cycle the TV and router, then reopen the app. This clears most network discovery issues. If problems persist, confirm both devices have the latest firmware and app updates, and verify they remain on the same Wi-Fi band. Key troubleshooting tip: restart both phone and TV first. This resolves common handshake failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.